Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling precise evidence and initiating the dispute. Start the Cibil dispute portal or note the lender contact. Once done, log in and choose Report Correction. Upload clear ID and PAN, then attach the statement highlighting the incorrect entry. Explain the error in one concise sentence and reference the attached document pages so the reviewer can match records quickly. Make sure to save reference numbers and a screenshot of submission for your records before moving to verification. You now fill the dispute form with focused details and supporting evidence. Choose the exact record type, describe why it is wrong, and point to line items in uploaded PDFs. Once done, include any lender reference numbers or email exchanges to strengthen your claim. Make sure to verify your contact info so Cibil or the furnisher can reach you. After submitting, note the dispute ID and expected resolution timeframe. Keep a clear log of dates and any auto-replies you receive for follow-up. You complete the process by tracking responses and pushing for resolution. Check the dispute portal regularly. Once a response arrives, review the change and download the updated report. If the furnisher rejects or ignores the correction, escalate to the lender with your dispute ID and evidence and request their response in writing. Make sure to file a formal complaint with the regulator only after giving the lender reasonable time. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, send a registered letter and include all time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.